Welcome back, this is Konath, and today we are unboxing the GPD WIN3, the world's first handheld AAA game console. I can see a black cardboard box inside. Ooh, here we go, WIN3 and GamePad Digital, indeed. It's like we got one other item in there. So basically this is a dock for the GPD WIN3 that gives you some extra ports. It says down here, power delivery for charging, 3x USB 3.0 Type A, Ethernet and HDMI. We're gonna definitely take a look at that in another video. Now before I open this, I'm just gonna quickly go over the Indiegogo page to see what we can expect from this. That's the specs right there, 1TB SSD, 16 gigs of RAM and the 1165 G7 processor. Okay, let's take a close look in the box now. I'm just gonna lift the top off here. Here we are. Isn't that a beaut? And I believe if we just push up on the screen here, there you go. We have a QWERTY keyboard. This is a very small device, and as such the keyboard is not going to be full size, but we will find out in a future video if it is any good. For now, let's just take a look around the device here. We've got two analog sticks in the front, full controls here for gaming. On the side here we've got a switch between the mouse mode and the gamepad mode for the joystick. That's definitely a nice feature to have. See on the back here we've got L3 buttons and R3 buttons here, that's very nice. Small fan here, let's see if I will be a small or a big fan of this device. And we've got a power button, volume rocker and a headphone jack as well as a USB-A port, nice to have. And at the bottom here we have the USB-C port, which no doubt will go into the docking station. Alright then, let's set this aside and see what else is in the box. Alright, looks like we got a tempered glass screen protector here. Neat. And finally, let's take a look at the included accessories here. We have a power brick and a USB cable. Alright, let's see if this puppy fires up. We got the power button on the top left here. Let me just go ahead and press down on that. And, oh, I felt a slight vibration here. Got a blue LED on the bottom, it says GPD on the display. And it looks like we are booting Windows 10. There goes the fan, by the way. Let me just point that towards the microphone. There you go, it's an Intel. Anyway, continue in selected language. Let's see what the cursor is the right thumbstick. All right. And I'm gonna say yes, continue in that. Let's see, is it A? This is the arrow keys apparently. So if I click on it, that is apparently gonna click. There we are.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Yeah, let's do that. Oh, beautiful. And we're gonna go for US keyboard layout because that is correct. In fact, there you go. There's the backlit keyboard. So we got an on-screen keyboard, interestingly enough, but I do have this physical one, so let me see. Okay, so the shift is on the left, but it's not actually locking, so what I have to do is caps lock to get the uppercase letters going. That's good. So I'm getting a haptic vibration here every press of the keyboard. That's pretty good. Alright, I must say that the screen is actually quite dense in terms of pixels, so I'm just gonna go closer here so you can take a bit of a look here. There you go. So it is not the most high-res screen, but it does have a lot of pixels per inch, which is kind of what it comes down to in the end. This might take several minutes. Well, if it does, then I'm definitely going to put this down, because in this one-handed configuration here, it is quite heavy to the right-hand side, so I definitely wouldn't recommend this for one-handed use, but that's obviously also not what it's made for, considering we do have the dual thumbsticks here. And we're back. Windows 10 has finished setting up. Alright, we have an 11th gen Intel Core i7, 1165 G7 at 2.8 GHz dual core, that's beautiful. And we have 16 gigs of RAM as well, that is perfect and exactly as ordered. Now let's just take a quick peek at the hard drive. I'm going to try Windows E here, and we can already see a little bit of an issue here with the keyboard. I'm holding it on Windows and I have to go all the way over with my thumb to get the E there. Not too big of a deal, I can do it. It's just, you know, similar to trying to do something with the iPad. It's not optimal for the keyboard side, but you know, that's just the way these devices are. Alright, taking a look at the available storage here, just to confirm that we did indeed get a 1 terabyte drive. As you can see, we have two partitions here, a 100 gigabyte Windows partition with 68 free, and a D partition of 841 gigs with, 841 free. There we have it. That is the GPD WIN3 unboxing and first impressions from Coneth. As you can see, this is a super portable Windows-based gaming device, and it is definitely gonna be a lot of fun for me to try this out in the coming weeks. And then I will be back with my longer term impressions and also with an overview of using this thing in a docked mode with the included dock in my Indiegogo order. That is going to be it for today. Definitely subscribe if you want to see the other parts of this video. And until next time, this has been Coneth.